You see that? I'm a bit worried that's a crack. A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's Choo Choo Tuesday. Oh, well, no, it's not Choo Choo Tuesday because there's no turbo, but check out the new engine tool, look. One of those stabilizer things. Picked it up from eBay for about 20 quid. That's brilliant. That is to get the turbo engine out of the Bedford CF at some point. But we're not doing that this morning. No, we're going to give another good old lube up and a play, and let's see if we can get the flywheel and clutch off of what I've now named this engine DD. Look, I've decided that is the name of the engine, not DD, it's initials. And I could think of only one name that is appropriate for DD, and that's Dirk Diggler. So there we go. I've given this project a name now. This is a Project Engine Dirk Diggler. Right, anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning. What are you doing this morning? More importantly, what am I watching on YouTube? Oh, look at that. Classic Mini Workshop doing the hydroelastic on the Mark III Cooper S. I am an absolute fan of hydroelastics. Most of my first minis were hydroelastic. I think my Mark II, my show mini, was hydroelastic. The ride was beautiful, and when you strip them down, I just remember that smell. It's the smell of my youth.
Next job is going to be another video now. I've obviously got to strip both the front and rear subframes down. I've got to take out the hydroelastic suspension cones, or whatever they're called, and get them sent off.
Displacers, I believe they're called, aren't they?
I've got to tidy everything up.
Yeah, you do. Look at that. Keith Miller would not be impressed, mate.
Bit of a mess. I'll just show you around.
Anyway, got to crack on. Enjoy your Tuesday.
So obviously strip these down. I haven't got enough space.
I know that feeling.
So this is my garage currently. I've got the engine stripped off, parts of it, repainting the engine black. The gearbox as far as I'm told, and I would like a confirmation on this, should be bare alloy. Yeah, so the garage is a bit of a mess. I've got to sort everything out.
Wow. Can you see that? I'm a bit worried that's a crack. Can you see that? I'm a bit worried that's a crack. Can't see anything on the other side. Well, it makes sense that it would be a crack because it's where this bit, which looks like some sort of balancing hole. Or is it just like a dribble mark or something? Oh. is there gone? You have to tell me. Is there some form of like DIY crack testing thing you can do? Maybe it wasn't. Certainly can't see anything now. Anyway. Woo! It's breakfast time. Well, in fact, I'm late for breakfast. Let's go.